The Mangold health drink has come to us as a boon from heaven called nature. Gynecological problems, a green or yellow color to the discharge, itching or burning, pelvic pain, neuropathic leg pain, migraine, menopause, pregnancies, abnormal yellow water discharge. Mangold, power and empowerment to women. Today, we are not just exposed to all kinds of pollution, but are also heavily weighed down by various forms of physical and psychological stresses from morning to night. The issue of health slips into the darker recesses of our mind. And the past several months have been an unprecedented turmoil in our lives on that count. Researchers have found that while almost nobody is spared from the anxiety, worry, and overall emotional fatigue of the coronavirus pandemic, women, almost 3 times as likely as men, are reported to be suffering from significant mental health consequences, including anxiety, loss of appetite, inability to sleep, and trouble completing everyday tasks. According to a research published in the journal Frontiers in Global Women's Health, the likelihood of maternal depression and anxiety has substantially increased during the pandemic as well. The big question on every single mind: what is the way out of the fangs of a virus so highly mutant with no vaccine or cure around till today? However, as all the health experts say and every person on the street knows by now, strengthening the immune system is the only powerful way to fight out the virus and continue to stay healthy. The stronger our immune powers, the earlier the virus defeated. We must not get into this victim or fatalist mentality against this novel coronavirus. We have to wage a war against it by building and strengthening our immunity. In this backdrop comes Mangold Health Drink, our savior, our greatest weapon to fight against this deadly virus COVID-19. Mangold juice knows no compromise, neither with the virus nor on our health. Now, how you or I can be so sure that Mangold juice means no compromise on our health? We all know that the biggest threat to our immunity is poor nutrition and hygiene that actually adversely affects blood circulation in our bodies, and that in turn weakens the ability to combat our diseases. The Mangold health drink has come to us as a boon from heaven called nature. The ORAC, that is oxygen radical absorbance capacity, boosts our immunity and increases the ability to combat ailments. And the good news is you invest low and get high returns. Friends, it is not me who claims this. The standards mark, the seal, implanted by the best laboratories of the world, is a testimony to this truth. Mangold Health Drink deserves a special mention specifically for women. It is a boon at different ages and stages in their lives. Urinary tract infection is one of the major concerns to women's health across the globe. It is a type of bacterial infection with which about 40% of women suffer. UTI is an infection in any part of your urinary system, which includes bladder, kidney, urethra, and uterus. It can be extremely uncomfortable and painful, and if allowed to spread to the kidneys, can also lead to serious consequences. Doctors usually prescribe antibiotics to treat UTI, which may have further side effects. The infected women generally experience at least one symptom of UTI during their lifetime. It is also known to be one of the most common medical complications during pregnancies. Leading to several other gynecological problems, UTI may also become a botheration during the early months of pregnancy. One might see much more than usual white discharges. A green or yellow color to the discharge is another sign of infection led by bacterial or yeast infection, which are more common during pregnancy because of hormonal changes leading to very strong odor, itching, or burning. Some women go overboard on the hygiene in an attempt to rid themselves of the extra discharge. They wash profusely or use stronger soaps. Those things can cause an imbalance in the pH of the vagina and cause infections. With appropriate intake of Mangold, women gradually get rid of abnormal yellow water discharge, and curb down the related discomforts. This drink is a savior for women combating their common tormentor, abnormal periods, which include symptoms such as heavy menstrual flow, painful menstrual cramping, vomiting, diarrhea, painful bowel movements, or urination, pelvic pain, neuropathic leg pain, migraine, fatigue, etc. Mangold is also a blessing for women around the time of menopause, when many of them experience symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness, leading to anxiety, changes in mood, and even a slump in the desire for sex. With its intake, women can manage and fight out these symptoms quite well. The juice serves as a panacea for almost all issues concerning women health. Regular intake of mangold immensely helps women raise their hemoglobin levels and recover from anemic conditions as well as chronic fatigue all along these ages and stages. Mangold thus not only packs power in women but enamors them with empowerment to live life with the health, freedom, and respect they deserve. Mangold, power and empowerment to women. Let us now get to the bottom of 6 magical components that make mangold a great healer. Let us delve into the mystique of ancient civilization and extract the sacred knowledge of the past about these ingredients. Number 1. Kokum. It is indeed a miraculous fruit that has been tested and verified a record number, more than 1800 times, and found to be the best, greatest ally of immunity. It would give healing powers to ancient humans who had no modern type medication amenities and used to eat kokum very regularly for vigor and vitality. Kokum increases the stamina or ability to work, beats tiredness, helps control cholesterol levels in blood and obesity, as well as sharpens memory. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is another food that has been studied over 1500 times. It is one of nature's greatest boons that coagulates vitamin B6 to vitamin B12. It not only helps improve anemic conditions but also builds new cells and brightens skin. Besides, it strengthens our digestive system and enhances overall physical abilities. Next comes Indian gooseberry, another great power of Mother Nature. It fights acidity because it has vitamin C. The fibers, the phylamblin, the linoleic acid, and indole acetic acid combine together to fight against liver diseases, digestive problems, and piles. Number 4. Green tea extract. These antioxidant leaves boost immunity immensely and act as a strong preventive measure against cancer. They help keep brains and heart fit, as well as decrease obesity and cholesterol levels in blood. The extract fights against aging and eradicates asthma. The biggest plus point of green tea is it starts working no sooner than it enters the bloodline, making you happy and fit. In 5 to 10 minutes, bang! Number 5. Grapeseed extract. Regular intake of grapeseed extract in mangold fights aging too. It is a fiber-rich component in mangold that increases the level of oxygen within moments of its intake. It also speeds up the rate of mutation of blood cells and cures brain diseases and heart disorders. This helps us to get rid of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Number 6. Noni fruit juice. Noni may lack taste, but its caliber to fight against pathogens cannot be forgotten. This mangold component accelerates the joint movements and elevates agility. It tames arthritis, fights cancer, controls diabetes, blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and liver problems, and heals muscle cramps. It helps keep natural sexual properties and abilities strong. A great cure for untimed periods and many gynecological disruptions that women dread sharing because of social stigma. Noni also has anti-aging and antidepressant properties, helping wipe out wrinkles and spots on your skin. Noni is effective in eliminating spondylosis without having to opt for surgery and nagging problems such as migraine too. The hectic schedule of our daily life does not allow us to have proper nutrition, necessary physical exercises, and rest. And on the contrary, gets us a damaging lifestyle full of stress and strain. All this drains out our physical and mental energy and stamina, and that makes our body a perfect breeding place for a host of all the diseases. My friends, Mangold is the answer. It is a great warrior for all of your problems. Keeps the doctor away. In this pandemic, this is the best answer for you. The most powerful way to boost your immunity. Mangold has a special scoop in its lid. Add 1 scoop for elders and half a scoop for minors, and a few scoops of water in it. Drink as a surefire cure for all your health problems. Mangold is available in 2 packaging variants, sugar-free and with sugar. Do not compromise on health. Procure a bottle and ensure a sound health for your friends and family. Tell yourself and everyone else, if you have the Mongolian armor, vigilance be yours and diseases stay far. Mangold means no compromises on health.